Good morning and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Lauren Hayes, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. Now, the Australian share market is expected to open higher. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.3% gain. Yesterday, the Australian share market closed 0.2% lower at 7,852. DroneShield has secured a $5.7 million renewed contract from an existing US government customer for its counter-drone systems, which target aerial, ground and maritime service drones. The company said the delivery involves multiple DroneShield product lines and is expected to be completed in several stages throughout the remainder of the year. The company said as the drone threat continues to evolve and proliferate across domains in modern conflicts, DroneShield are honoured to support the US government. The stock has surged 217% over the past year and last closed at 89 cents. Webjet flagged it is exploring splitting its two travel divisions, its consumer-facing travel booking business and its agency-facing Webjet's hotel bookings business into two separate ASX-listed companies. The travel agency said demerger would allow benefits like separate management teams, independent capital structures and access to new investors. If the potential transaction does go ahead, it will be during Webjet's FY25 financial year. The group posted its statutory net profit more than quadrupled from $14.5 million to $72.7 million for the financial year to March 31, and total transaction value was up 21% to $5.59 billion. Plenti has posted a net profit up 36% to $6.1 million compared to the same time last year. The consumer lender reported revenue jumped 47% to $211 million for the financial year to the end of March. The company said its total loan portfolio grew 21% to $2.1 billion for the financial year, and that despite headwinds across funding costs and industry credit losses, the strength of its technology-led business model and its team drove the result. Looking to overseas markets now, and the US markets continued to set new record closes for the Nasdaq and S&P 500. The Dow Jones Industrial Average added 0.2%, the S&P 500 gained 0.25%, while the Nasdaq Composite rose 0.2%. European markets closed lower. London's FTSE fell 0.1%, Frankfurt lost 0.2% and Paris closed 0.7% lower. Turning to Asian markets, Tokyo's Nikkei fell 0.3%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng dropped 2.1%, while China's Shanghai Composite closed 0.4%.